Two bots are being examined based on direct personal use rather than speculation. The first is Thunderbot, a simple tap-based system where collected in-app coins convert into dollar value over time. The mechanism is straightforward. Continuous tapping increases balance, and efficiency is improved through automation. Instead of manual tapping, a script can be used to simulate rapid input, allowing accumulation to scale without constant attention. This removes the main limitation of human speed and endurance. The process becomes passive once configured correctly. Access to the script and setup method is provided externally, and once implemented, the system runs with minimal oversight. The structure of this bot favors consistency over complexity. No advanced interaction is required beyond maintaining activity and ensuring the script runs without interruption. The second bot operates differently in pacing but follows the same core principle of free accumulation. It is scheduled for launch on March 31st, and early participation is critical due to typical reward distribution patterns in such systems. Initial users often benefit from lower competition and higher reward ratios. This bot allows coin collection through repeated interaction, but instead of scripts, it can be optimized using an autoclicker application. The autoclicker replicates continuous tapping at a controlled speed, removing manual effort while staying within the system's acceptable behavior. This method is simpler to deploy than scripting and works effectively on most devices without technical setup. Alongside tapping, task completion increases earnings. These tasks are basic, usually involving interaction, referrals, or simple actions within the platform. The combination of passive tapping and active task completion creates a dual earning stream. An additional layer is the presence of a dedicated application available on the Google Play Store, which integrates with the second bot. This suggests a more structured ecosystem compared to the first. Applications typically provide better stability, notifications, and user tracking, which can improve retention and usability. All required access points, including bots, scripts, and applications, are provided externally for direct use. No financial input is required at any stage. The model relies entirely on time, consistency, and correct setup rather than capital. There is no loss exposure since participation does not involve deposits or purchases. The entire approach is grounded in exploiting early-stage reward systems in bot-based ecosystems. These systems often distribute value aggressively at the start to attract users, then gradually reduce rewards as user base grows. Entering early and automating interaction maximizes output before diminishing returns occur. This is not guaranteed profit in absolute terms, but the absence of financial risk changes the evaluation. The only investment is time and device usage. Results depend on execution discipline, maintaining uptime, using automation tools correctly, and completing all available tasks. This is a direct account of usage without external claims. No assumptions are made beyond observable behavior. All resources required to replicate the process are already organized and accessible. The structure is simple: connect, automate, accumulate, and withdraw when thresholds are met. No complexity beyond initial setup. No dependency on market movement or trading skill. Output scales with activity.do at your own responsibility. I don't encourage anyone to engage or invest. It only for educational. Propose only in my personal experience. Good luck.